these are still totally yummy. Totally good. What was the expiration? 11 of 2017. Yeah, I tried the Mr. Good bars. Still perfectly good. And then there's these file folders or like magazine holder things. I actually already have a lot of these. I don't really think I need any more, so we'll see if we end up keeping them. And then I went ahead, sorry, I'm having to talk really quiet because they're asleep below me, and oh, I want them to be able to sleep. So anyway, this has a bunch of papers. They're like different activities that you can do, like for that you cut out, and yeah, anyway, really fun. And then they have these stickers to go with them. I don't know if all of them are meant to go with those, but they look like it, don't they? Like they're meant to go with that same stuff. And then these vellum quote stack, quotes and sayings. I find so much scrapbooking stuff. So much scrapbooking stuff. Oh, these, I don't know. I think these go with the American Girl stuff. They're not like marked American Girl. But then again, neither are all the little folders and stuff. So, yeah, I think so. Because look how tiny those are. You know, don't they kind of look like they would go with the American Girl stuff? I think so. I'm going to put them with the American Girl stuff. Then, and these were from, what do you call it? Babies R Us. They're just like price stickers, but we can totally have some fun with those. And Student of the Week. And then more scrapbooking. These are brand new. Dimensional borders. Bunch of like kind of 3D. They're like, yeah, raised. Nice set of words. And then a couple more things of stickers in there. Okay, a whole bunch of laminated cards. These have like days and shapes and colors, and then some letter ones. I don't need any of these, and it's not, I don't think this is like a complete set, so these might just get recycled. But these would be fun for Mariah to practice with. And that leads us over here, some multiplication cards. Those would be good for the kids. And there's a Crazy Eights card game, Play School First Words. That would be really good for Mariah. Then a brand new package of colored pencils, some crayons, whole bunch of random school type stuff, Certificate of Excellence, Star Student, little tiny report card, but not quite tiny enough to be one of the American Girl ones. These cute little envelopes. These will be good for like making cards or scrapbooking. These little notepads, you draw a line to the letter it goes with. The thing is, they're all the same. So, I don't know. I'm thinking I'll put together a teacher lot to put this kind of stuff with. Little notepad. But they're not like, these would be more for like playing pretend, I think. Like pretending you're a teacher, because they're teeny tiny. They're not like for real. And then some little certificates of excellence, some hall passes. It's like a pad of hall passes. And then this, the front one is done, but the rest of them aren't. And there's actually a few different things in this. We'll see if Mariah wants that. And then a little grade book. They're all the same. I really think these are like for playing pretend, pretending you're a teacher, stuff like that. Okay. Next, knocking piles over. A whole bunch of laminated numbers. Probably put those, like I said, in a teacher lot online. And then laminated months of the year. I already have laminated months of the year that I like better than these that are from one of the elementary schools. So these would probably go in the teacher lot as well. And then a little clock that they can practice time with. Has Velcro on the back. It's a little bit beat up. We might play with it ourselves, practicing, and then when we're done with it, probably recycle it. There is, oops, let's go with the American Girls. Okay, a ProLab radon gas test kit. It's got these 2 little tubes of something. Might actually use that here. Oh, just kidding. $35 lab analysis fee required. I don't know. Or maybe I'll sell it. Yeah, I might sell it. Then this is, remember I found that broken guitar and I grabbed the fingerboard? Then there was also this loose peg thingy in that same bin. Not sure what to do with that. Then we have these 3 things, and any idea what they are, guys? Because I have no idea. I'm guessing you like stack stuff on them. I don't know. They're all like exactly the same, just different colors. Anyway, then I have no idea what to do with this. That's weird. Okay. It's got a USB port there, and then like, is it like a charger? I don't know. I have no idea. LYLL, only the L's are all funky. Anyone know what this is? Then we have Fire TV stick. It doesn't actually have the stick, but there is this part. So I'm going to look and see if I can't sell this, because this is brand new. So we'll see if that has any value online. Be cool if it did, wouldn't it? Okay, then over here we have 2 Build-A-Bear bows. They are adorable. They look brand new. Then a fun little sparkly mask. How cute is that? Then party tape. Brand new. Then several instructional booklets. I will look and see if any of these will sell online. You would be surprised. I've sold lots of these, so we shall see. Then there's this envelope from Costco, and it has all of these photo paper like signs for different holidays. Look at this. Jingle bells, cardboard. Let's see. There's a whole bunch of them. It's a Halloween one, and they're all on pretty photo paper. Pumpkin pie. Make a wish. Well, we just missed on that one. But yeah, these are all gorgeous. There's your Valentine's one. So they just need to go in frames. And it so happens that I found all those frames at Family Dollar last week. So we just got a whole bunch of fabulous holiday wall art. How cool is that? Then there are all of these. Look how great these are. These shiny red squishy. They had labels on them, obviously, but they tore them off. I don't know what they were using them for. Gifts, maybe. But the thing is, they were never used. You can tell they weren't actually used other than to have stickers on them. So that's kind of weird. But yeah, packaging, shipping material, and they're gorgeous. So, okay, next. This is fantastic. So I saw the busted up box and I was like, there's no way that the stuff is in there. Au contraire, check this out. There's the bracelet creator tool. Never been used. And look at this, guys. There's your threads. Looks like they took one out, but didn't do anything with it. All your beads still in the packages. There's your little instruction booklet. I think that's it, right? Oh, no. One more thing of beads. So, yeah, we are totally going to make some bracelets. How cool. Then we've got some shoelaces, random cute piece of fabric, whole bunch of stamps. We'll see if we want any of them, but we don't really use stamps. So these will probably go in our yard sale or in a teacher lot. Then there's this random piece of a game, Hasbro game. I have no idea what game that would be. Let me know if you happen to know. Okay, next, another, how funny is that? Another of these broken fans. We can either try gluing it, or we can use this gorgeous fabric for some kind of craft. I don't know. What do you think? But oh, isn't that so pretty? There's got to be other stuff we can do. What if we like opened it up and like framed it or something? Maybe. Anyway, bunch of books. These are wipe away books, and there is a wipe away marker and this eraser marker holder combo. These, the letters. Mariah would have fun with that. And then all kinds of fun connect the dots and shapes and stuff like that. So we could have fun with those and then pass them along to someone else. And then look at all these books. Sorry, my allergies. Ugh. This is why, guys, I hate paying for books. My husband started the tradition of buying the kids each a book at the book fair. And he hasn't been able to go the last 2 times, and so I've gone ahead and bought them books. But I hate paying for books because, especially kids' books, because look at all these books. And this, oh, I can't wait to show Mariah. She is in love with Pinkalicious right now. In fact, all the books that she checked out at the library the other day were Pinkalicious. Now she will own another Pinkalicious. Barbie. And these are perfect for Mariah. They're like level 1 and level 2. How cool is that? And then Rainbow Magic, Fancy Nancy, If You Give a Moose a Muffin. There was a lady who swallowed some snow. Okay. Froggy Goes to the Doctor. There was an old lady who swallowed a bat. Okay. Let's see. Have You Got My Purr? A math book. And look how gorgeous this is. And it has sparkles. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Little Pip and the Rainbow Wish. Oh, and look at that. Oh no. Well, this book will be for me. I don't know if you guys know, but I absolutely love rainbows and sparkles. Look at that. Okay, moving along. This, oh, okay. So it has, you can barely see them, these light prints. So here, that's got a phone number in it. But I guess you just trace over or fill it in. I don't know. Passion Angels Rockstar. A bunch of nudie people. So you guys, you draw clothes on them and hair. Anyway. Oh, duh. Okay, so they're stencils. Yeah. Just to help you with your artistic endeavors.
Please be sure to check the video description for links to our social media accounts. There you will get exclusive access to pictures and videos of different things that we have going on a daily basis, and you will find out how you can contribute and help support the mission of saving and salvaging. Have a great day, guys.